Top 5 Best Portable Generator for Camping and RV. 1. Watt gas-powered portable inverter generator. Remember when you had clean and quiet portable power? The WEN 2000-watt inverter generator produces clean energy free of voltage spikes and drops without making all of the noise of a regular generator. Generate 2000 surge watts and 1600 rated watts of power. 2. A-iPower SUA 2004 2000 watt portable. The A-iPower SUA 2004 provides clean, quiet power. It produces 2000 watts of starting power and 1600 watts of running power. Powered by a 79cc engine, the generator is ideal for events such as camping, tailgating, and many other applications. At only 46 lbs. 3. A-iPower SC 2004 2000 watt Yamaha engine. At only 50 lbs. You can take portable power wherever you go. At 65 dBA, you are assured quiet operation. With inverter technology, you are using clean power, meaning it's safe for electronics such as televisions, tablets, laptops, and other power-sensitive equipment. 4. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 240. Founded in California in 2012, Jackery specializes in providing outdoor green power solutions for explorers. Jackery Portable Power Station, power outdoors. Quiet generator and eco-friendly clean power, Jackery Explorer 240. 5. POWERSMITH PGA 2200i 2.2 kW digital inverter generator. Take the power with you when you're camping, tailgating, working, or hanging out in your backyard for a barbecue with the POWERSMITH 200W portable gas generator. This handy generator can produce up to 200W of peak power and readily generates 700 running. Check the description below for more details and price. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.